Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on or how to enable the dark mode on your WPS Office Word Mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the dark mode on your WPS document mobile, I just going to show this video. So first of all, I just opening a new document here, clicking on this plus symbol, opening a new document and blank document. Now I just need to turn on the dark mode. Click on this icon option. Now you just scroll here and you just go to the view section, and here the option is available for changing it to the dark mode. So you can see an option called reading setting. In reading setting you can see the option called night mode. Here this you just want to turn on this, which actually turns to the dark mode. So you can see everything is on the dark. This is called the dark mode, which actually protect your eyes, and which is called also night mode. You can just use this. Otherwise you just need a dark mode. Here you can use another option to change this to the dark mode. So it's all about your system dark mode. Just turn on your dark mode on your system and close the file, and you just open the file again. You can see everything is in dark mode. So this is how it's work actually. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.